Register your appliance to receive product updates, better customer service, and warranty coverage. Locate your QR code on the model serial tag. Scan your QR code using the camera on your smartphone or tablet. Tap Register an Appliance. Log into your account. If you don't have one, you will need to create one. Enter the installation date or your home closing date in the installation date field. You may add another product or just continue to register this product. Enter the address where your appliance is located and continue. Review your information. If everything looks good, tap Submit Registration. Congratulations, your product is registered. High five!